Just one more time. Just can you confirm? Are you able to see my PPT? So both of you.
Yes, yes.
Okay, right. So Balaji, Panchmati, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, you are.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, actually, now so having some
Okay.
power issues.
Okay. Problem. Okay. Okay. Right. See, let's start. See, yeah, in this session, actually, we are going to discuss about that one, the Microsoft concept, so Fabric, Microsoft Fabric, the introduction to the Microsoft Fabric. We are going to learn the problem statement, the solution with the Microsoft Fabric, Microsoft Fabric, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service components. Microsoft Fabric. Actually, so the third point, I need to modify this. This is the one for the Azure. The Azure IaaS platform as a service. And Microsoft Fabric SaaS components. Then what is Microsoft Fabric? Then Microsoft Fabric architecture, Microsoft Fabric components, and then general items, general terminology. The problem statement, actually the problem statement, just we are going to take that one small scenario, how the data are generating and what is the need of data. Those type of things actually we are going to discuss. For those business scenario, how that Microsoft Fabric going to be a solution, and environment wise, the cloud basis, what is the different types of components, the cloud structure, cloud concepts are available, that IaaS, platform as a service, software as a service. Out of these three, Microsoft Fabric, why it is calling that SaaS component, and then Microsoft Fabric, what is that one, how it is going to be used. So all those things we are going to discuss in this today's session. See the problem statement. We will take that one business scenario. The demo session itself, I told you actually that every business, they are generating the business data. Using that business data only, they are analyzing that business, any business. So here we are going to take that one problem statement. So we will take that one business, that HP product sales. Consider yourself, you are the HP representative. You are the HP employee, or you are the owner of the HP, something. You are the HP brand representative. Okay. One person, one user thinking about to buy that HP product, your product. One person thinking about to buy one HP product. That means your product. So he is going to be a customer for you. So this is step one. So as a user, a person looking to buy a new laptop from the HP brand. Okay. He's looking. The user looking to buy the new product. Then what is the next step? Actually, HP has multiple brand actually. HP EliteBook, which you can use it for designing purpose. HP Envy, you can use it for that multitasking and demanding the software related development purpose. And HP Spectra, HP ProBook, HP Gaming, HP Chromebook, HP Notebook, HP Pavilion, HP ZBook. Different types of brands are available. So that user need to choose that what brand, which one is going to buy. That's the next level. He decided one brand. He decided one brand. Right? See here. The brand, what he decided, that brand he want to buy, that user want to buy, but how he can buy. That HP brand, the different ways he can buy, or he or she can buy, different ways to buy this HP laptop. What are the ways? You can go to that one nearest store, like a Reliance store. You can go and then you can check that one. You can buy it. The Reliance store, actually it is located in the multiple states and multiple cities, multiple branches are available. Which is nearest to you, you can go and visit, then you can test it and then you can get it if it is okay for you. So Reliance store, they are selling that HP product. As a HP brand, HP company, the Reliance store, one of the retail showroom for them. The Reliance store, they are selling that HP product. So there is one of the retail showroom for the HP. Okay. Or else the user, they can go to that HP store, which is located in that nearest place. They can buy that, the brand what he chose, that brand he can get it. Right? So HP store also selling that HP product. So now two places HP product are available. So you can choose that place and then you can buy it. And here, no, I don't want to go to that one in-person visit to any of the showroom. I'm going to order it through the online. Then you can order it through the Flipkart. You can order that business data. Sorry, you can order that product through the Flipkart. So online service is available. Flipkart, if you are not interested, you can go with that Amazon. So this is a person also selling. So these two people also online retailer. So here, the product, it's available. The same brand, it's available in different places. So the sales are happening in different places. So one of the place, the user can decide and order it or buy it. This is the way the products are actually selling. Okay, right? The next level, business level questions. So far, the up to step 3, all are sales related. That's okay. All are sales related. Now, you have to raise questions. You are the HP representative. We are the HP company representative. You have to. So you have to raise some business questions. What are the questions? Actually, I'm going to analyze the overall HP sales. So which HP category is having less sales? I'm having a lot of brands. Which category having less sales? Which store is having less sales? Some places actually, so very nearest places, 2 or 3, so showrooms may be located. If it is located very nearest place, means we cannot expect that good sale for all the showrooms. We have to find out that one, which store is having less sales. And which state is reported less sales compared to last year? Or throughout the India, I'm having the sales. But particular state, actually, I don't have that expected level business when compared with that last year business. That state I want to find out. And which HP category laptop sales is declining year to year, which is reducing. See, then in terms of physical store presence, which retailer seems to have that widest reach across different states or cities. Which showroom we are having well business, which showroom we are having that dull business. We have to analyze. And here, the same way we have to compare it for the online also. For the online also. Please keep yourself mute. The teams who are attended, please keep yourself mute. So here, I want to compare the business, which is best, retail business or online business. If online is okay, means then which online retailer is having that good business and who doing that proper shipping, everything actually, how they are taking care of that shipping responsibilities and reliable customer service for HP laptop purchase, everything. Right? So here, and which online retailer is known for offering, where sometimes you will get that offers from that online sales actually. So who are giving that type of offers because they want to sell more products, so they may reduce their profit actually, then they can give that more offer, they can sell. That is also actually so valid point. So to continue that our retailing business, right? All these things actually we have to discuss. We have to find out how we can find out all these things. I'm the business person. I'm the product owner. I want to find out that people who are selling my product, how they are selling. Everything actually I need to analyze this. Everything I need to analyze this. See here, actually, for example, I'm having different people. I'm the product owner of the HP, but I want to analyze the whole business, whole sales business, how it is happening. But the whole business data is available in the different places because the Flipkart, imagine the Flipkart, they are storing the data in the SQL Server database. I will have access so one of the product actually, so owner actually, I'm that one of the supplier, right, for them. So I will have that access. I want to see the data. The data is available in that SQL Server database. Okay. The same way Amazon actually, I want to get that my business data from the Amazon. From the Amazon, I want to get the business data. So imagine Amazon actually, so what they are following, actually, they are storing the data in the Oracle database, okay? And local HP, they are having the business data, the flattened files. And the Reliance showroom, they are having that Power Apps application. See here, data are available in the different storages. Now, first, I want to bring all my business data from these different sources to that my cloud environment. So data ingestion, I want to do it. I told you that one, the demo session. Data ingestion, we are going to do that one. The data ingestion for what purpose we are using? We are using the data ingestion to bring that data from one place to another place. That places, it may be that on-premises environment or that cloud environment. Imagine here we are having that both on-premises as well as cloud, both environment we are having. That means our business data are available in the different source environments. So those data, first I want to bring it into that my cloud environment. Usually in the business, actually, usually in the business, see here, which is this one? Yeah. So the business in the cloud, actually, in the cloud, in general, I'm telling you, in the cloud, we will have that 3 storage environment. In general, I'm talking you 3 storage environments. Okay, so the 2 and 3. This is the cloud. This is the cloud. First, I want to bring all my business data as it is format. First, I want to bring that all my business data as it is format to cloud. Cloud, I'm having 3 environments. These 3 environments for storing the data only. Then which environment I need to bring the data first? See, I'm going to give one name for this environment. This environment is called bronze. And I'm going to give the name for this environment. This environment name is called silver. And this is another environment. For this environment, I'm going to give the name as gold. There is a reason for giving the name like this. This is a standard naming structure, naming convention, naming format actually we are using in the real time. What is the meaning of bronze environment? Bronze environment is nothing but the source data, whatever you are having and whatever format you are having, as it is format, you are going to bring that data into that your bronze environment. If it is table, the table data, you can have it like a CSV file. If it is CSV file, as it is CSV file format. If it is a JSON data, as it is, you can get it like a JSON format data. Suppose if you want to get the data into that your database, cloud database, yes, that also you can do it. But whatever it is, as it is format, what you're having in the source, as it is format, I'm going to store it into that my cloud environment. That environment is called the bronze. That environment is called bronze. See here in the online order, sometime I may have that duplicate order. By mistake user might be happened, that order happened, duplicates. They don't want to make the 2 orders. They want to make it only 1 order. The duplicate records actually, it's an invalid one. That record I should not process. That order I should not process. So you may have the duplicate records. And some of the column values, you may have it null values, empty columns. Some of the columns, you may have that one wrong data type. Some of the records may have that one less amount of information, which is we are expecting. So that the expectation level might be different and getting that in data from the user might be different. Less amount of data we may get it from the user. That means low number of column data we may have it. Those records, invalid records. So all these mixed things will be available in your business source data as it is formats. We are bringing the data here. But whatever we have discussed now, the duplicate records, the invalid records, that less number of column records and wrong data type column records, everything is invalid records. Those records we don't need. We don't want to process it. We want to clean it. For the cleaning, we have to do some process. The data cleaning, we have to do some process. We have to write some logics. So that logic, we are going to write it here. That logic, we are going to write it here. Right. So here, after implementing that logic, the data, we are going to store it into that our Silver environment. So Silver environment is nothing but we are going to have that cleaned format data. Cleaned format data. So bronze to silver. What we are going to do? We are going to clean the data. We are going to clean the data. Right? So then from silver to gold, we are going to apply the business logics. So total number of products, actually, we want to get it actually for a particular product, how many total number of records are sold out. And state-wise, city-wise, country-wise, all the different data actually we want to get it actually. So all the aggregations we have to apply. Then business logics, everything we are going to apply. That business logics applied the data, we are going to have it in this our final environment. It's a curated data, the pure data, the business data. This is the data. Finally, it will be used for the reporting purpose, analysis purpose. This is the data that will be used for reporting purpose. See, this is the way every business, so data engineering projects, actually every business data engineering projects, they are working in this type of flow only. This is called medallion architecture. This is called medallion architecture. Sometime during the interview time, actually, they will ask actually what type of architecture you are following in your project. So constantly you can say we are following that one medallion architecture. Then they will ask the question, what is the meaning of medallion architecture? Can you explain detailing? Then you have to explain that one. Yes, we are having that medallion architecture in our project. We are having 3 environments. That environment of bronze is one environment and silver is another environment. Then gold is the third environment. The bronze, we are going to use it to get that our as it is business data from that our source environment to that our cloud environment. And from the bronze to silver, we are going to do that one. So data cleaning process, everything, quality check, everything we are doing here. And from the silver to gold, we are going to implement that one business logics where we are going to apply that aggregations. So that environment is a gold environment. That gold data actually using by that our data analytics team who are working in the Power BI. Those team, they are using this our gold data as source for them. You have to explain like this. Yes, this is a standard method architecture in every project they are following. Right? Yes. So here we are having this business data. We are having this business data. So this business data, so different places actually we are having the business data, different places we are having. Right? So Flipkart having different source and Amazon having different source like this. So each one they are having different source environment. All the data we are going to get it into that one environment. That environment, I told you that environment is called a bronze environment. So or else you can say that one raw, because the raw data as it is business data. As it is business data. Then for cleaning that data, you have to use either that Azure Synapse or Databricks to validate the data, to check that duplicates or to check that one data types. So for the validation purpose, the quality check purpose, what you can do it, you can use this Synapse or Databricks. After processing your data, and you are getting that refined format data, that cleaned format data, that data we are storing. So that environment, usually we will call it silver environment. That silver data, again, using either Synapse or Databricks, we are going to apply that business logics, everything we are going to apply. Then final output, we are going to get it in the gold environment. The curated format data. This is the data. Finally, it will be stored into that your data warehouse environment. The data warehouse environment, it can be that your Synapse environment or that your Snowflake environment or that AWS Redshift or Big Data, BigQuery. This data, it will be used by the analytics team for the analysis purpose. So here, so the same set of data, whatever you're having, the curated data, that gold data, the same set of data, it will be used by that another team, which is that data science team. They are going to do that one analysis for the future protection purpose. That output also, you can use it, you can view it in the reports using Power BI dashboard, something like that. Right? So here, suppose if you want to do some of the validations, so for the fraud check something, if you want to do it, so you can use that some of the features which is available in that Azure itself, that Azure Custo. Using this one, you can find out that one fraud detection, everything. So you can do it. See here, we are using one resource, the data factory for the data ingestion. We are going to use that one Azure Synapse or Databricks for the data process. This is for the data ingestion. Data ingestion means one place to another place. Data process means you are going to process huge amount of data using this technology. That process is nothing but quality checks and business logics implementation, everything. And data warehousing, you are going to use it, right? So data warehousing and reporting purpose, you are going to use this Power BI. And that machine learning, data science purpose, you are going to use that one Azure machine learning product, right? And for the security and the fraud detection purpose, you are going to use that one resource, that Custo, right? See, this is a storage environment. This is the storage environment. So we can call it one storage environment, actually 3. So different storage environment. See, multiple resources are using for this purpose, the data processing purpose, the data engineering project, right? So if you are using that normal ETL tool or Azure products, anything, if you are using this much amount of resources, at least you have to use it. So different, the development perspective. So you should use different resources from the Azure environment or on premises, whatever it is. But now here, actually, these all are different environment products. These all are actually PaaS products. Platform as a service. PaaS means platform as a service. The platform is available. That means, for example, database is available. Software, it's already available. The application is a software. What you have to do it? You have to define that business logic. You have to define the business logic. You have to write the code. Data factory, it's available. You have to design that one. Yes. But each one is, because Azure is a platform as a service environment. These are our platform as a service tool. So here, everything you have to create as a separate resource instead of the Azure account. Right? But SaaS means it's a ready-made product, like a Gmail application, like a Salesforce tool or Microsoft Dynamic tool. Ready-made tool is available. Plug and play, you can use it. See, whatever the features available as individual resources in the Azure, everything actually they have integrated and they released as one product. That product is Microsoft Fabric. See, everything they brought it into that one place as one of the feature. In the Azure, each one is a separate resource. But here, each one is one of the item inside of this one product. They have integrated all. Whatever that injection you have done it using the data factory. This is the one. You can do it using this data factory. Yes. The Synapse data engineering. The Synapse data engineering. Whatever you are going to write that logics for the cleaning your data and for that your aggregation business logics implementation, whatever the logics you are going to write it, everything you can write it using this Synapse data engineering. What are the business data? You are going to store it into that your data warehouse, either that Azure data warehouse or that any other data warehouse. So warehouse you are going to use it. The warehouse purpose here, so that another item is available. It's called the Synapse data warehousing. And data science feature, you have to use that one separate resource that Azure machine learning uses. You have to use it. The data science here it is available like one of the item. It's called the Synapse data science. And live data process, you can use that one. So Synapse real-time analytics. And reporting, you can use this Power BI. See, everything, it's available in one tool. And the data, whatever this file you are going to design, the pipeline, or Synapse related, data engineering related, or data warehousing related, Synapse data science, or real-time data, or Power BI, everything, whatever you are processing in the behind, everything going to be stored into that one environment is called one lake. But not here, not like that one. Everywhere they have to keep their own storage environment separately. Everyone having their own compute machine. They don't have compute machine, but here everything is available. See here, actually, so this all going to be have this the behind of this your one common storage environment, which is called one lake. Right? So that's what actually that's the reason this is called that one product, this SaaS product. Right? So Microsoft Fabric actually it is going to be a one environment for all the data engineers and data science and data analytics. All together going to be work in one place. So Microsoft Fabric is a unified data analytics platform. It's a one product, one experience, one architecture, one business model. Unified data is stored in one lake for the entire organization. Right? And unified experience brings together all the tools data professional needs like pipelines for the orchestrating data movement, experience, experiments for training, machine learning model, extra. Unified governance, security, and compliance inbuilt for all your data. See, everything going to be available in one environment. The data management, the data governance, everything actually you can do it within that same environment. Okay, here that Copilot feature is integrated. So the AI support is there. AI actually going to help you to improve your process. So it is going to give that more productive. If you are going to write the SQL, it will give that suggestions. A lot of statements when you're writing, it will give the suggestion what you have to use it next. Right? If you're going to generate the report, it will give that more insights. Okay, right? So AI support is there. And this Microsoft Fabric is an all-in-one analytics solution for enterprises that covers everything from the data movements to data science, real-time analytics, and business intelligence. Business intelligence means reporting, live data, streaming data. Okay, so data science, what they are going to do using your business existing data, they are going to do the analysis. So it's a comprehensive suite for services, including data lake, data engineering, and data integration, all in one place. Data lake means that lakehouse environment. You can store that your file format, data, everything. Data engineering means, so you can use that one. So pipeline and the notebooks for the processing and data ingestion. And data integration actually. So here we are using that same pipeline, same notebook, same snaps, data warehousing environment, everything in one place, right? Yes. And with the Fabric, you don't need to piece together different service from multiple vendors. Instead, you can enjoy a highly integrated end-to-end and easy-to-use product that is designed to simplify your analytics features. See, all these technologies actually, finally, they are going to use it for this, your business analysis purpose only. The end goal, they are going to analyze their business. For analyzing their business, they want to make them process into easy way. That easy way, so day by day, actually, they are inventing a lot of new technologies, then they are introducing. When we were working with that on-premises environment, they introduced that cloud environment. When we are working with the cloud environment, they introduced some ETL tools, actually. When we are working with the cloud environment, they introduced that one Spark engines for the parallel processing to improve the process. Like this, actually, now they introduced one tool which has that all these feature in one place. Right? So here, yes, this is a SaaS product. This is a exact architecture. If you are going to use data warehousing concepts, means you are going to write the scripts. Data warehousing, if you are going to work, means usually what you will do it, you will write the queries. You will write the queries. The query, if you want to run it, for example, SQL, the SQL query. The SQL query, you want to run it. The SQL query, if you want to run it, means, so what you want to do, you need that one SQL engine. The SQL engine in the backend should be there. Yes, one compute machine is available, which is supporting the transaction SQL, T-SQL. Okay, I'm doing that big data process. Then I need the data engineering feature. The data engineering feature, if I want to use it, means then what I want to use it. I can use that Spark engine. Behind the Spark engine is available. The Spark engine, distribution process, parallel process. So for the big data processing, I will use the Snaps data engineering feature. Then in the behind, what compute machine will help on that one? The Spark engine compute machine will be available. That machine will help on that one. If I'm going to use real-time data, if I'm going to process, means KQL is available. Power BI analytics service available. Suppose if I'm going to use that, so data factory, Synapse data science features. So here serverless compute machine also available for the analytics purpose. I don't want to keep that any what is that one machine in the behind, actually. Serverless machine is available. That one I can use it for this analysis purpose. For example, I want to read the data from the file using SQL script. Usually SQL script, we will use it for reading the data from the table. Select star from my table name. Yes, I can write it. The same way you can use that SQL script for reading the data from the file. Within this feature, that feature is available within this tool. That feature is available. So that feature, how it is working, means it's working because of the serverless compute concept. You can read the data like a SQL query. So serverless compute feature is available. So these are the different compute machines. Actually, it's available. These all are compute machines, the serverless compute machines, and dedicated server also. If you need, you can create that one. That's a different scenario. But different compute machines are available. But whatever it is you're using, either you're going to use the T-SQL, Spark, KQL, analytics service, but that behind end of the final data, everything going to be stored in the format of Delta Parquet format. This is one of the data format which is helping for the performance, the data performance. The Parquet format is one of the major format to improve that performance, right? So the end of the time, the data is everything going to be stored in the format of Delta Parquet. So beginning time, the basic questions, if they're asking, all these things they will ask. Majorly, whether you are understanding that end of the final format storage or not, that query will be there, that question will be there. They may ask directly or indirectly how you understand that architecture of this functionality, this Microsoft Fabric functionality, whether you have that knowledge or not, because you are going to work in this environment. They will try to evaluate you whether you have that base idea about this tool or not. That one they will ask. So simply you keep it in your mind. Finally, everything going to be stored in that one environment. That environment is called OneLake, and the format is data lake form, Delta Parquet format. But the different compute machines are available inside of that our Fabric environment, and which machine is using for that, which purpose, what purpose. Data warehousing, they are using T-SQL. Data engineering, they are using Spark Machine. So real-time data, KQL, Power BI, analytics services. These four different compute machines. Okay, just remind it. So how we can log in into that our Fabric environment, then app.fabric.microsoft.com, and so the Fabric resources. Actually here we have to call it like that one experience, and now it is called items. So that each one actually it's called experience. This is the one experience. One experience, another experience, this is another experience, another experience, another experience. Now everything is available in the name of items. Okay, so everything is available in the name of items. See here, I want to open. Okay, wait, I'll open that new app.fabric.microsoft.com. Yes. So I will log in using that my ID. What is that ID? I think learning 2. This is the one learning 2, and okay. Microsoft.com. Okay. Let me check. Yeah, it's logging. Once you're logged in, this is that your landing page. It will be like this one. In the left side, you can see some of the icons. So this is the workspace. This is the Copilot, and then so only catalog, and then monitoring. So real-time process. So here that workloads under my workspace. Actually, you have to create that your own workspace first. Every project you have to create that your own workspace. Every project. So you can click this one, new workspace, and you can give that your project related name. Simply I'm giving that one my demo workspace, and this is the one I'm using the trial version. That trial version, it's available for 2 months. Yes, the trial version, and click the apply. So inside of that your workspace, you have to create the items. You have to create the items. The items you can create here, whatever we have discussed, like that these things. See here, the items, the data factory or this or data engineering. So data warehousing related, Synapse data science related. So real-time data processing and then Power BI, anything, right? So that one, if you want to create, actually these are all that experiences. Under this experiences, I'm going to create that items, the items here. Earlier, actually, they had this type of different experience. In the left side itself, they had the different experiences option at the beginning. So 1 year before. Each one, whatever he listed to here, each one, so they have mentioned as a separate experience in this left icon. But now they have split it only two. One is the Fabric, another is the Power BI. The Fabric, now we are working in the Fabric. These all things are available. When you're working Power BI, you have to choose the Power BI. Rest all the things, it will be available in the Fabric. So these are the experience. So that experience. So here, if I want to create that one for data factory related pipeline, you have to choose that pipeline. If you want to choose that one, so data engineering related storage, file format storage means, then you have to choose that Lakehouse. If you are going to choose that your data warehousing related, the data warehousing environment, if you want to create now, you have to create the warehouse. Right? This is the way you have to create the different resources. That resources, so if you are creating means, so here I'm going to create that one Lakehouse. I'm going to create that one Lakehouse. The bronze Lakehouse. The bronze Lakehouse. Under that, my warehouse. Yes. Right. See here, one Lakehouse is available. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to create that one more Lakehouse. I told you 3 environment, right? So here, I'm going to create one more Lakehouse. That Lakehouse here, I'm going to create like a silver. I'm going to create like a silver Lakehouse. The silver Lakehouse. See, this is my workspace. I'm having two Lakehouse. One is the bronze, another one is the silver. In the bronze, so in the file, as of now, I don't have anything. Just I'm going to click the get data, upload files. You can upload the file. So here, what I'm going to do, before that one, I'm going to create that one subfolder. So you can click this three dot, you can click this subfolder. So you can give the name. Just I'm going to give the name like a cust. That's it. I want to get that my business data file into this environment, the cust folder environment. Then how I can do it? See here, the get data option is available. Click this one, upload files. You can browse it from your local. Suppose if you want to get it into that your local. So what I'm going to have it. So I have my business data in this. I think here I'm having something, or else I'll have it in that my Fabric. Yeah, the day two, I'm having some files. Just I'll take that one file. Customer1.csv. Upload it. I have one file. So this is my source file. This is my source file. Imagine in your business, you have that your source business data. The source business data file is available in that bronze Lakehouse environment. So from this environment to that your silver Lakehouse, you have to bring your file. Then how? We need that ingestion tool. We need that ingestion tool. Sorry. So here we have to create the ingestion tool. The ingestion tool is nothing but here it is called item pipeline. What is that item? Pipeline. I'm going to create. See here. I'm going to give a name for my pipeline. So data ingestion. I'm going to give the name for that my pipeline. Just to click this data ingestion. So data ingestion pipeline. So it's creating now. I'm going to take some of the activities available in this tab, activities tab. So here I'm going to take that one activity, the copy data activity, this copy data activity. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the data from where? From that my source. What is my source? So here already existing connections are available. I'll remove it. Right, so here on this one, the copy data. Fine, now I will take it again, the copy. So here, refresh it. Nothing is there. Now, nothing is there. So first, I'm going to create the connection for my source. Which is our source? Bronze is one of the source, and silver is another. Actually, silver is now we are going to use it like our target. So source bronze, silver is target, a sync environment. So first, I'm going to create the connection for my bronze storage environment. Two lake houses I'm using. So one is that bronze. So I'm select that one. And here I'm going to take the files. What is the file name? Actually, you can choose that your file wildcard file path. And here you can mention that your subfolder name. What is the subfolder name? Under the files, we have seen it, right? Under the files, cust folder is there. This cust folder having one file. This file we have to copy. So that cust file folder name here we have to mention. Then here simply you can put the star. That means whatever it is available inside of the cust folder, all it will be copied to where? Destination. Which is our destination? Again, I'm going to click the browse all. The another lake house, the silver lake house, the silver lake house. See here, same files. In the silver lake house, I don't have anything here. I don't have anything here. The same folder I want to create. Then what you can do is you can mention that folder name, the directory name, what you want to create, that directory name, it will be created. Then file name, you can leave it blank actually. So here the file format, see source file format, what it is? It is a binary. No, I need delimited text. Then destination also should be delimited text. Yes. Then the advanced, I want to write my output file, the name of CSV. The name of CSV. Right? That's it. Now I want to run it. If you want to run it means click the run, it will save and run. Automatically it will take the save. Once this run is successfully completed, here you should see that one folder, the name of cust. Successfully completed, you should see that one folder. Now it is in progress actually, in progress. In progress. It succeeded. See the output. So data read 292, data written 292, number of files totally read 1, number of files written 1. Duration taken this much amount, throughput actually per second, this much amount of data processed per second. Okay. Now see here, click this refresh, click this 3 dot and click the refresh. See, cust folder is available. You can expand it. Nothing is there. But if you select the file, it will be available. Yes, here the file is available. I have copied. See this one. This is my data. This is my data. Yeah, I have my business data here. So what I got it now from the bronze storage environment to silver storage, I copied my business data using that pipeline. Using the pipeline. Actually, the data ingestion is what we are going to do. So the first part, we are going to do these things only, right? We are going to copy that data from the source to target. So data engineering, first part, actually data ingestion, the data ingestion, now we have done it using that our one single file from one source environment to that our target environment. What is it, our source environment? Our source environment is called bronze lakehouse. And what is it, our target environment? Here we have created one target environment in the name of silver lakehouse. Both are lakehouse only. So one lakehouse to another lakehouse, we have copied data. Your business scenarios, it will be like this. You may copy the business data files from that one storage environment like this lakehouse. We may get the data from that Azure Data Lake storage, or we may get the business data from that our Azure SQL database, or we may get the data from that our on-prem SQL server, or we may get that our business data from that our on-premises file format. It can be anything. Yes, everything we are going to see. Simple one, first we have seen it within this environment, within the same storage environment. So same format, same storage format, that lakehouse format. So we have used a source and target, and we have designed that our pipeline, and using that simple copy activity, just we copied from that our bronze to silver. That's it. So now we have seen it using this our fabric, how we can copy the data from one place to another place and using that single file. Suppose multiple file I'm having in my source, how I can do it? Multiple folder I have it. I may have that multiple folder. Then how I can copy that multiple folder data from the source to target? That is the one we will see it in that our tomorrow section. Okay. So day 2 session, we'll discuss that one. Multiple file handling, multiple folder handling, whatever it is, how to handle that multiple files. That's all for the day. We'll connect again tomorrow session. Bye. Yeah.